Well, we've reached that season where it's really hot here. What I like to call hot as balls. And so I'm kind of looking for lighter food, things that will digest well. Having said that, I did eat my weight in Belgian fries last night, covered in pulled pork from this little place called Two Guys Belgian Fries, which is walking distance from me and is a very evil place, and I cannot go there again, and I will probably go there tomorrow, and then I wonder why my waistline expands from all the beer I've been drinking to quench my thirst, since it's hot as balls out. There was a point to this. Oh yeah, hot as balls out, lighter fare. We're gonna do like a fish cake kind of thing. It's not heavy at all. It's Thai flavors. It's basically minced up fish fillets. This already comes pre-mushed up. There's ladies at the fishmongers at the market do that for you here. It's really great. They charge you a little extra for it, but I don't care. I don't have to get all fishy hands. I'm gonna turn that down. That was a rather abrasive song, and I don't know what it was, and I shall never play it again. Anyway, the main ingredient other than fish is red curry paste. Use whatever curry paste you want to use. I'm using one, similar one that I used for a red duck curry video I did a while back. You add one ingredient one by one into the mortar and pestle, mash, 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 mash. Another ingredient, mash, 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 mash. Get out all your aggressions while you can. Woo! Then you end up with this beautiful paste. I'll get myself a spoon. This is about 200 grams, a few tablespoons of curry paste. What is my iced coffee doing here? Oh, it's just a reminder that I need to put some ice in my coffee and drink it. We'll do that now. Alright, it's good enough. Iced coffee, nectar of the gods. Curry, mush fish, some sugar, I don't know, a tablespoon or so. Like everything I do in life, I'm gonna eyeball it. Fish sauce, a good quality one. This one's supposed to be particularly good quality. And actually, it is pretty good quality. 1 egg. Isn't this cute, this little container the eggs come in? And these little tiny eggs. Love it. 1 egg. Bloop. Green beans. Or long beans or whatever. I don't know, it's more of it's for texture. Just snap off the little sharp. I love that sound. It definitely reminds me of summer. Used to have a garden outside of Atlanta, and once in a while would grow beans. I mean, you can buy them at the store, but sometimes there's nothing more satisfying than eating produce that you've grown yourself. Anyway, I don't know, you need a couple of tablespoons of chopped up finely. Little bits of green bean flying all over the kitchen. Okay, could you stop like flying everywhere, little pieces of green bean? Jeez. Next up, some lime leaves. There's already some in the curry paste that I use, but I'm going to add a little extra, maybe just a little bit. You can snip them in very finely. In fact, I might do that with my scissors. Mix it in all really, really well. Right, let those cool a little bit. I've got a couple of dipping sauces here. One of them is a kind of a more traditional Thai sweet and sour cucumber relish of a sort. And this other one here is, this bright green one, is a traditional Vietnamese sauce, I think from the Nha Trang area, that is normally is served with crab and prawns and other shellfish. I'm gonna do a little bit of both, because I like both. A little bit of spice from the curry mix, the curry recipe that I use. Like I said, use whatever red curry paste you'd like. Obviously, it's best if you do your own. Anyway, next week, I think I'm going to do, that's what I'll do. I'll do something on dipping sauces. Might as well know how to make some. See you on the flip side as I drop everything.